Are you getting error code NW-102307-3? A communication error has occurred while connecting to PlayStation Network. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart your PlayStation 5 console. When you are getting NW-102307-3, a communication error has occurred while connecting to PlayStation Network error message. The first thing you can do is restart your PS5 console. Press the PS button on your controller to open the control center. Select power, choose restart PS5 or similar option. Once the device restarts, check if this could resolve the issue. Method 2. Use a wired connection. Use an Ethernet cable to connect your PS5 directly to your modem or router. Connecting your PS5 directly to your modem or router using an Ethernet cable can provide a more stable and faster internet connection compared to your Wi-Fi. This can be especially beneficial for online gaming, streaming, and downloading large files. So try that and check if this could resolve the connection error. Method 3. Forget the network. The next thing you can do is forget the network. Sometimes this can fix temporary connectivity issues. For that, open PS5 settings, then select network, then select settings under network. Now select the setup internet connection. Select the network you are connected to. Then select the forget option. Then wait for a few minutes, then connect it again. You will need to enter your network password again to reconnect. Follow as shown. Method 4. Check the placement of the device. To ensure optimal performance and connectivity for your PS5, it's crucial to pay attention to the placement of the device. Start by positioning your PS5 as close to your router as possible. As this minimizes the distance the signal has to travel and can significantly reduce potential connection issues. Additionally, it's important to remove any obstacles that might be obstructing the line of sight between your PS5 and the router. Physical barriers such as walls, furniture, or other electronic devices can interfere with the signal strength and cause connectivity problems. By strategically placing your PS5 and clearing any obstructions, you can enhance the overall gaming experience by maintaining a strong and stable connection. Method 5. Restart your router and modem. The next thing you can do is restart the router or modem. To do that, turn off your router and modem, wait at least 5 minutes, turn them back on now, and check if that could resolve the issue. Method 6. Update router firmware. Contact your internet service provider or network administrator. Request to update the firmware of your router. Method 7. Change the DNS settings. The next thing you can try is change the DNS settings and see if that helps. For that, open PS5 settings, then select network, then select settings under network. Now select setup internet connection. Choose your Wi-Fi network, then go to options and select advanced settings. Scroll down to DNS settings. Select it and set it to manual. Now set the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Once done, select OK. Once done, head to the network page. Now select Test Internet Connection. You can start test and check the connection speed. Method 8. Ensure firewall is not blocking the PSN connection. Access your router settings, log into your router's control panel using your web browser. Find the section related to firewall rules or port forwarding. Verify that the following PlayStation Network ports are listed as open and allowed: TCP 80, 443, 3478, 3479, 3480, UDP 3478, 3479. Adjust firewall rules if necessary. If any of the required ports are blocked, add a new rule to allow traffic on these ports. You can contact your service provider for help. Method 9. Contact support. If you couldn't fix the issue till now, you can visit the PlayStation support page for further assistance. Follow the guide provided by the experts to fix the issue. And there you have it, the methods to fix the issue when you are getting error code NW-102307-3. A communication error has occurred while connecting to PlayStation Network. If you are interested in purchasing the product, check out the description below for links to the tagged product options. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.